Aya ni amwe a andu aria megwikinyitie kiharo-ini gia Kinoru kaunti-ini ya Meru gukungwira mambura ma miaka 55 kuma riria bururi wegwatire wiyathi kuma kuri nyakeru mari thibitari-ini nene ya Meru kuria maguthukirio kurigitwo thutha wa muti uria mekuhambite kugotoka na kugwa nao na kugwira angi mauma thi. Agikira ndeto ino mukode murugamiro wa urigitani kaunti-ini ya Meru Dagitari Patrick Nyaga niaugite gutiri mundu kwire kumana na mutino ucio.
Most of them really have minor injuries. We have done X-rays and CT scans for those who and any whom we wanted to rule out any serious injuries, but none of them has any serious injuries.
Igongona riri rigwikinyitio ni kanini na kanene andu kuma ituri itiganite nakio kiharo gia Kinoru gikuihurite na gigaitikirira Kenya meterire kwaririo ni mutongoria wa bururi makiria thutha wake kuiguithania munini wake William Ruto na atongoria mung'ethaniro na Kalonzo Musyoka muthenya wa ira.
Tunasherehekea siku ya Madaraka ambayo tulipewa serikali yetu.
Akiaria hinde igongona riu President Kenyatta ni ateterithirie bata wa atongoria kunyitithania muingi wa bururi na kugaciriria miturire ya Kenya handu ya njatukano itari na kiguni.
I seek understanding and reconciliation between all Kenyans. I know that our children, to whom we will bequeath this nation, we need to take every step to ensure that our nation has the unity that will save them from lives of poverty, hatred, and failure.
President niongerire kuga mukenya wothe ari na itemi riake hari kuagirithia bururi na kuhurana na mathina maria maukuriire maitho.
Know of teachers who prey on their pupils, impregnating some of them. Preachers who swindle their flock, lawyers who defraud clients, journalists who wanafanya nini, blackmail people.
Makiaria ihinda-ini riu Deputy President William Ruto, Raila Odinga na gavana wa Meru Kiraito Murungi ni mateterithirie ritana ria president ria wiguano na waki wa bururi.
Tuache siasa ya ubaguzi, tupigane na ukabila, tupigane na umaskini, tupigane na ufisadi.
Together as a country we can now focus on the progress, the development of our country.
Riches will not come down from heaven like manna. We all must work hard, always remembering our founding fathers' motto, Uhuru na kazi.
Okaire-ini okau president akindiriria kuga gutiri na bata wa gucenjia gatiba ya bururi ta uria kurendekithio ni mung'ethaniro niguo kuagirithia mwathanire kana kuhurana na mathina maria magomeire a Kenya akiuga bururi uri na mawatho ma kuigana.
It is not the letter of our law and constitution that will get us to our destination. It is the spirit that we have.
Igongona riri riuma ria kana ria magongona ma kibururi gutafanirio nja wa Nairobi kuma mwaka wa 2016 ari njirimo ya gukungwira ugemu wa bururi kuria president nieraniire kaunti ya Kakamega nikuo mambura ma mashujaa ma mwaka uyu magatafanirio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.